In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications while presenting in Teams. If you've ever had a chat pop up right in the middle of a screen share or important presentation, you know how distracting it can be. The good news is Microsoft Teams has a built-in setting that hides those pop-up notifications while you're in calls and meetings, so your audience only sees what you want them to see. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what it does, so you can present with confidence. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. This works best in the desktop app, and the steps are the same whether you're about to start a call or just preparing your setup in advance. Once Teams is open, look to the top right of the window where your profile picture appears. Right beside it, you'll see a three-dot menu, often labeled as More Options. Click that menu to open a quick list of tools and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated window where you can customize how Teams behaves, including how it notifies you. Inside Settings, select Notifications and Activity. Depending on your version, it may simply be called Notifications, but you're looking for the place where Teams manages alerts and banners. This is where you control what appears on your screen and when. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Display. This area focuses on what shows up visually while you're using Teams. Within Display, find the option called Show Notifications during calls and meetings. This setting determines whether those little banners pop up on top of your content while you're on a call or sharing your screen. Toggle that option off. With the switch turned off, Teams will suppress pop-up notifications during your calls and meetings. Your messages and alerts are still collected in Activity and Chat, so you won't miss anything. You'll just see them after you're done presenting. This keeps your screen clean, prevents accidental reveals of private messages, and helps you stay focused. A couple of quick notes for clarity. This change applies to your current device and your Teams app. If the wording looks slightly different on your end, don't worry. Microsoft occasionally updates labels, but the location and purpose remain the same. And if you ever want notifications to appear during calls again, come back to the same setting and switch it back on. That's it. With this simple adjustment, you've stopped pop-up notifications from appearing while you're presenting or screen sharing in Teams. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next distraction-free meeting.